So we're gonna be sanding down this 2002 base Acura RSX. As you can see, paint's messed up, old, it's rugged, you know, it's typical wear and tear. It's a couple dents I wanted to take out, but I just leave it. It is what it is. It's the budget. If I need to redo it later on, there's gaps. It's the daily driver, so it should be, you know, something cheap, something decent, make it a little bit nicer, stand out a little bit more. Go ahead and give you guys some angles. It's another little ding right there. Like I said, this paint's really messed up. Body has, you know, a lot of things to it, but we're gonna go ahead and see, thankfully, hopefully, what we can do. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we're working with here. So I have some 80 grit. Actually, I forgot I have that in the front seat. Typically it's recommended, you know, you go through the finer grains to, or the coarser to finer, sorry about that. So like 120, 150, 180, 240, 320, and then like 400 if you want like the best, you know, work. But I'm trying to do more of a budget, so we're gonna go 80, 150, 320, then we're gonna go ahead and prime it, then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the 400 grit, prime it, 400 grit, and this is the paint over here. Hopefully it comes out good. Willow green. I've seen a lot of videos of, or maybe I believe 2 videos of someone using this color, so we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like on the RSX. So I'll let you guys know. About time. 80 grit, good to go. Looking nice and clean. Gotta hit it with the 150, then the 320, give it a little wash and dry, and she should be good to go for primer. Low-key looking kind of project right now. Nice and smooth. What's going on, guys? So another update. I didn't show the full car on the 80 grit. I was kind of trying to rush this. I've been on and off these past couple days trying to get this project done. In between, you know, I just had my daughter, you know, my newborn, so I've been trying to rush this. You know, right now I started hitting it with the 320, just kind of smoothing it off. I'm gonna be hitting it with primer, so most of the imperfections, once it's nicely smooth, should be, you know, gone. And then once I prime it, I'll hit it with a 400 grit. But I had to, you know, do a little bit of body work. Car was old, it's a salvage. You know, you gotta accept it for what it is. But we're gonna do some magic, make the result a lot better. But as you can see, definitely looks way better than when I first started. This was cracked open a little bit. Someone had tried to break in. I fixed this, see if it focuses. But all in all, coming together so far. Once I'm done with the 320, I'll check back in with you guys and show you the result. We'll go take it for a car wash, and then afterwards we'll be ready for the primer. Name one content creator that goes through these lengths to show you what a $100 paint job will look like. Results will be here tomorrow. We're going in, guys, as this goes in. Everything is done so far. Hot as here. Ready to paint. Degreased, everything taped up. Let's get this paint going. Sadly won't be able to go to any meets, but as you guys can see, it's a little, needs more right there, but for the most part, hood is good on primer. As you guys can see, all good to go. be honest. For spray can, for the price, it's good for now. Better than, you know, the old rusted shit it was. Catch this shit in the new reels. Well, a little bit of an inconvenience. I got a text late last night that my setup had fallen down, but thankfully the boys, they got me. Paint looking good, paint looking good. Gotta take everything off, take this thing down. Holy shit.